Did you know that India is becoming a leader in space technology? Meet AgniKul Cosmos, a company on the forefront of this space revolution. They face many challenges, but continue to rise. Today, we will explore their journey and success story. AgniKul Cosmos started as an ambitious startup in 2016. Their mission? To make satellite launches more affordable and efficient. Traditional methods can be expensive. AgniKul aims to simplify this with innovative technology. Firstly, they developed a unique launch vehicle called Agnibaan. This vehicle is smaller, lighter, and customizable. It can carry satellites weighing up to 100 kilograms. This flexibility appeals to various clients, including universities and other startups. Next, AgniKul embraced rapid prototyping. They create and test their designs quickly. If something doesn't work, they modify it without wasting time and resources. This agility allows them to stay competitive. Funding can be another major hurdle for startups. AgniKul overcame this by attracting investors. Their vision for affordable space access piqued interest worldwide. They secured funding from notable venture capital firms. Furthermore, AgniKul focuses on building partnerships. Collaborating with universities, research institutions, and industry experts helps them innovate. This collective knowledge drives their progress. Now, let's discuss real-world applications of their technology. For instance, small satellites are essential for various services. These include weather forecasting, agricultural monitoring, and disaster management. AgniKul aims to cater to this increasing demand. In summary, AgniKul Cosmos is breaking barriers in India's space industry. They combine technology, partnerships, and innovative funding strategies. Their journey demonstrates the power of perseverance and creativity. Curious about more success stories like AgniKul? Subscribe to the channel.